All right, let's add our Piskel sprite that we made earlier this week to Scratch. So in the first step, there's a link to navigate to scratch.mit.edu, and then the instructions say to click Create. I'm going to be adding my own sprite to this, so I do not need the Scratch cat. I will click the trash can to delete her, and then in the sprite window, I will upload a sprite. Hover here, and instead of choose a sprite, I will upload a sprite. And I'm going to choose the GIF that I made earlier this week. You can see that I titled it Mr. GD Weird Eyes Animation. That tells me who made it and what it is. Click open. Now it's an animation, as we know, but you only see one frame here. It's a still picture. Where are the other frames? They're here in costumes. So when I navigate through each frame, you can see a small amount of motion. All right, let's go back to the instructions and see what's next. Now that I have uploaded it, I'm going to copy this code into the middle programming window. So under events, I'll get when flag is clicked, and under control, I can grab forever and if then. Under motion, we have the change X by and change Y by. Now I'm going to show you a shortcut here. I right click on that and click duplicate, and now I can move a little bit faster. Don't grab set X to or set Y to. I want the change X by and change Y by. Now I just need under sensing which key is being pressed. All right, when I press right, I want to change X by 10. So now when the flag is clicked, the right arrow is being pressed, it will move to the right. So we can see here that X represents the numbers from left to right. See the numbers getting larger as I go to the right, and Y represents up and down. The number representing Y goes higher as I go up, and it goes lower as I go down. And then if I want to make the up and down controls quickly, I can choose up arrow here, right click, duplicate, switch it to down arrow, and then in order to make my character go down, I change that to negative. All right, so for the rest of the instructions, you can look at a full project here that has all the code and click see inside to look at it. And then if you want some ideas for going further, if you have more time left over, you want to make your project look more interesting, check out these extensions that I created. This one, your sprite will roll around as it moves. I think looks kind of fun. And then the last one gets pretty crazy. I added a lot of color effects so that the character stamps and changes sizes and changes color. All right, there's some fun stuff for you to work on. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. Let me know if you have any questions. Have fun.